Hello everyone, now we are going to see about how to add a data into table. Adding data into a table in MySQL involves using the insert into statement. This statement allows you to insert one or more rows of data into a table. Now I will show you the syntax how to write it. First we want to type insert into and a table name and table name, and we want to write a column 1, column 2 and column 3 dot 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 till column n. And to insert values we want to write values and we want to write value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 comma value n, and comma for another value we want to put comma and then we want to write value 1 value 2 value 3 comma dot 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 comma. Like this we want to write. Now I will show you how to write an add. Now I will explain you how to what I have written here. The insert into this keyword is used to indicate that you want to add a data into a table. The table name specifies the name of the table into which you want to insert data. The column 1, column 2 is optionally specify the columns into which you want to insert data. If omitted, it assumes that you are inserted data into all columns in the order they were defined in the table. The value, this keyword is used to specify the values to be inserted into the table. The value 1, value 2 till value n specifies the value to be inserted into each corresponding column. The number of values provided must match the number of columns specified or the total number of columns if not explicitly specified. Now I will show you how to write a code. For that first I will delete this. Now I am going to write insert into the table name is employees and the name age and department, and values. First I am going to give a name as John. It is a string so that I want to write in colon comma 30 and department is HR. For second one I want to name Alice and age is 25 and department is marketing, comma, and the third value is the name is Bob, age is 26 and department is finance. If I run this, see the we are getting a green insert 3 rows affected. Now if I want to show you the table, now I will explain you the code. We are inserting data into the employee table, especially into name, age and department. We are inserting 3 rows of data, each representing an employee: John, Alice and Bob. Once you execute this SQL statement, the specified data will be added to the employee table. You can verify the insertion by querying the table using the select statement. Now I will show you how to see the values. For that we want to use select. We want to see all the data, so we want to push star from table name employees. If I click on this, see we are getting a table, 3 rows written. See the id is 1 2 3. Here in before we didn't give id because it is auto increment, it will generate automatically, and the name is John, 30 and department is HR. Like this, if we want to see the table, we want to use select star from employees. Thank you. With this I am ending my video. Thank you.